First delivery of chemotherapy drugs by drone. London, the British National Health Service (NHS) has announced the world's first delivery of chemotherapy drugs by drone. This will make it possible to provide timely medicine to cancer patients. With this method of delivering chemotherapy drugs from drones, patients will not have to wait long because firstly, the drug is tailored to each patient and it is useful to administer it immediately. On the other hand, patients from small areas have to go to big cities for chemotherapy. Drones can be extremely helpful in this context. Staff at the Department of Medicine at the University of Portsmouth Hospital plan to deliver chemotherapy drugs to the Isle of Wight using an automated drone from a company called Appian. The drone, designed for medical purposes, can fly for an hour and a half on a single charge. In this way, it will take only half an hour instead of 4 hours to send the medicine to the NHS. Since there is an ocean in between, the chemotherapy drug is first delivered to the shore and then transported by boat to the other island, which takes a lot of time. The Appian company takes off vertically and begins its journey. Thus, the first chemotherapy drug will be delivered by drone in the next few weeks. Note: www.thetechytube.com and its policy do not necessarily agree with the views of this blogger.